The Suzuki Carry, a tiny Japanese K-truck, could easily replace full-size American pickups on farms and properties from Texas to Montana. And what's actually happening behind this trend will surprise you. If you're frustrated with spending a fortune on fuel, tired of modern trucks costing $60,000, or you need a nimble workhorse that fits where your F-150 can, this little import seems like the perfect solution to all your problems. But while everyone's celebrating the fuel economy and maneuverability, almost nobody is talking about the serious safety limitations and other drawbacks that could turn you away from this budget-friendly K-truck. Let's kick things off with what makes this little truck such a compelling option for the right buyer. Number 4. Remarkable maneuverability. With a turning radius hovering around just 13 feet, this truck is navigating spaces that would leave a Chevy Silverado stuck halfway through a 3-point turn. Dense forest trails, narrow vineyard rows, and warehouse aisles that were previously off-limits are suddenly accessible. The cab-over design places the driver directly over the front wheels, providing an unobstructed view of everything beneath your bumper. Unlike modern American trucks with massive blind spots, the Carry lets you see exactly where your tires are tracking at all times. You're fitting 2 Carry trucks in a standard American parking space or tucking one into a residential garage corner alongside the family SUV. Of course, all that agility is impressive, but it's completely pointless if the truck can't actually carry a meaningful load, which brings us to what might be the Carry's most surprising capability. Number 3. Surprisingly capable payload efficiency. Here's a frustration every small business owner knows too well. You need something more capable than a golf cart, but buying a full-size truck feels like massive overkill when you're just hauling supplies across your property. The operating costs don't make sense, the size is excessive, and you're essentially paying for capability you'll never actually use. That's the exact problem the Suzuki Carry was engineered to solve. Don't let that tiny engine fool you. This truck is rated to carry over 770 pounds. The bed features fold-down sides and a tailgate, transforming the rear into a completely flat platform that makes pallet loading almost too easy. This represents a utility-to-size ratio that simply doesn't exist in the domestic American market. The Carry is designed as a workhorse first, meaning the suspension and frame are built to handle daily abuse in ways recreational vehicles aren't even attempting. The bed height sits at a low from the ground, which significantly reduces physical strain during repetitive loading cycles. So, the payload capacity is genuinely impressive for such a small package, but hauling all that weight around would be pointless if fuel costs were eating into your savings, which is where the next advantage becomes crucial. Number 2. Exceptional fuel economy. Let's talk about a pain point every truck owner feels in their wallet. You pull up to the gas pump after a week of light property maintenance and you're watching the numbers climb past $60, $70, even $80 just to fill the tank. Meanwhile, you barely drove 50 miles, but your thirsty V8 doesn't care. In an era where gas prices are swinging wildly, the Suzuki Carry is breathing fresh air into operational budgets. Its tiny 3-cylinder engine is tuned for efficiency rather than raw speed, often achieving upwards of 40 miles per gallon under light loads. For American buyers used to the 15 to 20 miles per gallon average of a standard pickup, the Carry is cutting fuel expenses by more than half. Furthermore, the simplicity of the engine contributes to low operating costs. There are no complex turbochargers or high-strung hybrid systems. It's a straightforward, naturally aspirated engine that's easy to maintain. Therefore, the money you're saving at the pump isn't immediately funneling into high-tech repairs. Now, excellent fuel economy is one thing, but when you're working in challenging terrain, the fuel savings won't matter much if you're constantly getting stuck, which is why the 4-wheel drive system deserves serious attention. Number 1. Rugged 4-wheel drive capability. Anyone who's ever gotten a vehicle stuck knows that sinking feeling. You're watching your expensive truck settle deeper into mud or snow, the wheels spinning uselessly, and you're facing either an expensive tow bill or hours of digging. Heavier vehicles compound the problem because their own weight works against them. That's where the Suzuki Carry's approach to 4-wheel drive becomes brilliant. Most Carries come equipped with a robust 4-wheel drive system, including a high/low range transfer case and even a locking rear differential. But here's the unexpected advantage. Because the truck is so light, it's not sinking into mud or snow the way a 6,000-pound domestic truck might. It tends to float over soft surfaces, providing surprising tenacity in off-road conditions that heavier trucks struggle with. This makes the Carry a viable alternative to expensive ATVs, but with one crucial difference. It offers a fully enclosed, weather-protected cabin with a heater and often AC. You're staying dry and warm while navigating muddy trails, all while having a real truck bed behind you for hauling equipment. The 4-wheel drive system is mechanically simple, with engaging the front wheels usually just a matter of a physical lever or simple button. Those are the compelling reasons buyers are flocking to K-trucks, but all those advantages come with some serious trade-offs that you need to understand before making a purchase, and the first one affects every single minute you spend behind the wheel. Number 3. Tight cabin ergonomics. Imagine spending 8 hours a day in a vehicle that feels like it was designed for someone 6 inches shorter and 50 pounds lighter than you. Your knees are brushing the dashboard, the steering wheel is practically touching your chest, and every time you hit a bump, you're feeling the engine vibrating directly through your seat. The truck is built for the average Japanese stature and short duration trips, but for the typical American buyer who may be taller or broader, the cabin feels extremely claustrophobic. Legroom is strictly limited by the wheel arches, and the steering wheel often sits very close to the driver's chest. Because the engine is located directly under the seats, the cabin can get quite warm and noisy, with vibrations from the 3-cylinder engine transmitting through the seat frame. It's a work environment, not a comfort environment. Interior storage is minimal, and there's barely enough room for a passenger and a lunchbox, so the cramped interior is frustrating for daily use, but that discomfort becomes downright dangerous the moment you try taking this truck beyond your property gates, which is where the next problem becomes critical. Number 2. Highway speed instability. There's a specific kind of anxiety that comes from merging onto a busy interstate and realizing your vehicle is fundamentally outmatched by the speed and scale of surrounding traffic. You're fighting to maintain your lane while 18-wheelers are blowing past and creating wind turbulence that's physically shoving your truck sideways. At highway speeds, the truck's tall, narrow profile makes it highly susceptible to crosswind wander. A passing semi-truck can create enough of a pressure wave to physically push the carry across a lane, requiring constant steering corrections and white-knuckle grip just to stay centered. For anyone needing to hop on a freeway or drive long distances at 70 miles per hour, the Carry is simply not the right tool. So highway driving is nerve-wracking at best, but even if you're willing to accept that limitation, the biggest deal breaker has nothing to do with performance, it's about basic protection in a worst-case scenario. Number 1. Limited safety features. Here's a sobering thought experiment. Imagine being in a head-on collision where there's less than 6 inches of material between your legs and the point of impact. No crumple zone absorbing energy, no layers of reinforced steel redistributing force, just thin metal and the hope that the other driver is paying attention. By American standards, the Suzuki Carry is essentially a tin can on wheels. Because it's designed to meet Japanese K regulations, it's lacking the sophisticated crumple zones, side impact beams, and multiple airbag systems found in US market trucks. In a collision with a modern American SUV or full-size pickup weighing 3 times as much, the Carry is at a massive physical disadvantage that no amount of driver skill can overcome. Even the latest models, while featuring basic safety tech like ABS and some stability control, are not designed to pass the rigorous crash testing required for full-size passenger vehicles in the US. So here's the bottom line. The Suzuki Carry is genuinely brilliant at what it was designed to do, offering unmatched maneuverability, impressive payload efficiency for its size, exceptional fuel economy, and capable 4-wheel drive that punches well above its weight class. But those strengths come packaged with serious compromises. A cramped cabin that's exhausting for tall Americans, highway instability that makes freeway driving nerve-wracking, and safety limitations that are impossible to ignore. Therefore, the Carry makes perfect sense as a dedicated property vehicle or farm workhorse, but it's going to disappoint anyone expecting it to replace a traditional American pickup for daily driving. With all these highs and lows, this Suzuki K truck has great potential in the US market, but it's not the only one. If you're interested in checking out other K trucks that are coming to America, don't miss our next video about the Daihatsu Hijet. It also has strengths and weaknesses, but altogether, it's ready to dominate the market.